if your child is not turning on their camera, for us, it's not that big of a deal. As long as she's listening, there's a lot she can learn from it. And what we find is that when they first join our program, they're very like resistant and like not really sure. But after they see it, attend it for some time, they see that it's not that big of a deal, and they'll turn their cameras on. Especially if they follow me on TikTok, they'll see that I'm not like this, weird guy. They'll see I'm pretty normal, and then they usually turn their cameras on too. So